Summary reports are a type of report designed to show a quick overview of account information. Here you can see that I've logged on into the system and I'm looking at the company screen for the company Eurolandia. And you can see that I'm also logged on as a system administrator, and there's a summary report button amongst the action buttons on the right hand side of the screen. So I've just clicked that button to run the report, and you can see that it generates a complex report as a PDF document. Summary reports are available for each of these system entities: companies, people, opportunities, cases. And the reports can be understood to consist of a number of customizable or configurable elements. A summary report is essentially made up of two broad areas: the header content and the report output. And here I've highlighted the two areas that can be changed. This is the header summary report content, and then you've got a series of sub-reports underneath it. And these may also have charts associated with them. Let's look at changing the header content first of all. For this, I need to go to the administration screens and then into customization, and then I need to select the company. It is the company summary report that we're changing. There's a tab option to change the summary report, and here you can see that I can look at the sub-reports, and on the right hand side we've got the Edit Summary Content button, and I'm going to click that. You can see that this opens up a screen that looks like the screen definition screen, and in fact that's true. Summary content is defined as a screen, and I can now add or remove fields, whatever I want to do from within the summary. Now I've removed a couple of the fields that are not used in order to simplify the screen. I can then click Save. And since the summary content is a type of screen, I've been dropped back into the screen tab for the company. But I can return to the summary report tab to look at the company sub-reports. And these are actually types of list report. And for an example of this, I'm going to look at the opportunity sub-report, and we can see that we can control the report content. We can also control the automatically applied search criteria, and if I click change, we can further change the report. And if I scroll down, we can add a chart. And here I'm going to define this as an H-bar chart. So what will this look like if I choose to run the report? We can see that here the report has been changed, the summary has been simplified, and a chart has been added in to the sub-report.